Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how Exporter use Emerge to manage product, create quotation with consolidated CBM, weight, and generate custom packing lists for export shipment. So in Emerge, you can create products with export-specific information from the beginning. This includes detailed requests for custom queries, such as HH code, country of origin. You can also define packing information like length, width, height, net weight, and bus weight for different packing methods. Once the data is set, Emerge will automatically calculate the cubic meter and total weight when you generate the custom packing list or quotation later. This helps reduce manual work and avoid calculation errors. Next, from the quotation, you can click the Custom Packing List button to download an Excel file and review the consolidated CBM as well as total order weight. This custom packing list includes item description, HH codes, dimensions, and weight, while shipping detail can be added later when the shipment is confirmed.
To outline estimated costs, goods, and delivery terms before the sale is finalized, you can generate a Proforma invoice directly from the sales order. Simply select the template for Proforma invoice and send it to your customer with one click. For export orders, it's common to collect a deposit. In the invoice you has created, you can generate a deposit note. For example, you may charge 50% upfront. Once the customer pays, you allocate the payment to the related invoice. Emerge records the deposit and automatically tracks the remaining balance on the final invoice.
When the shipment is ready, you can generate the official custom packing list and send it to your forwarder or logistic partner. Because all dimensions and weights were defined earlier, so Emerge automatically calculates the total CBM and shipment weight, ensuring accurate shipping data and smoother coordination with logistic provider. Finally, when the goods arrive at the port or are ready for delivery, you can collect the remaining balance by opening the invoice and clicking Receive.